Attention! Entrepreneurs, small business owners and affiliate marketers. Are you struggling to visualize your own success? Do you need a leverage to make you stand out? Then I have a solution for you. Email marketing success is the key. In this video, I want to inform you that email marketing for business isn't a new concept, and it has been proven to be one of the best marketing tactics for return on investment. Finally, discover how to build an email list and create successful marketing campaigns. Follow this comprehensive guide to email marketing success. Click the link below in the description to get other useful software to scale your business and grab your email marketing success. Email Suite and Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System, hot offer now. What is email marketing? The first email, sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1971 or 1978, depending on your source, marked the beginning of the modern communication era. The message was nothing special, a series of numbers and letters that looked more like a password than a message, but its significance was profound. The email was sent from one computer to another, traveling through a network of machines not unlike the internet we know today. Tomlinson also introduced the @ symbol in email addresses to the world. Gary Thuerk, a marketing manager at Digital Equipment Corp., sent the first commercial email years later, where the message reached a list of email addresses. And voila, email marketing was born. There were only a few hundred people on the list, but that was enough for Thuerk to claim the mantle, father of spam. Today, we're inundated with email marketing campaigns, and yes, some of it still feels spammy, but there's no denying the impact a well-crafted message can have on your customers, not to mention CRM and lead nurturing. Email marketing helps you connect with your audience to promote your brand and increase sales. You can do a lot of things with emails, like sell products, share some news, improve your cart abandonment rate or tell a story. And before I proceed further, I am acknowledging that most of the information in this video came from the blog post on MailChimp site by Nick Sapia, Chief Digital Officer of Alps and Meters, affiliate sales pages of Email Suite and that of Email Marketing Success. How do I get an email list? You'll see the highest ROI when you build and maintain an engaged subscriber list, made up of people who want to receive your messages, and who opted in on purpose. Although building a clean list can take more work at the outset of your email marketing strategy, MailChimp lists have built-in tools to help you along the way. There are lots of ways to find people who look forward to getting your emails, but we've rounded up a few that work best. To build an email list, create a sign-up form on your website. When people come to your website for the first time and like what they see, they'll want a way to stay in the know about your brand. Create a form for newsletter signups and install a pop-up to collect customer data from your visitors. Use a good old-fashioned sign-up sheet. Whether it's at your brick-and-mortar store, or an event that you're hosting or attending, when you're surrounded by people who are into what you do, provide a place for them to sign up and learn more. Drive signups through social media. If you don't have a substantial email list, or you just like to see it grow, but you've got an engaged social media following, tap into that resource. Share your sign-up form on your social channels. To add more subscribers to an existing list, host a contest or offer a discount. We're big fans of giving people an incentive to sign up for your email list, and we know that contests work. Try offering a prize for some lucky new subscriber or a discount code for a first purchase. Make your emails easy to share. When you create beautiful, compelling emails, with a lot of valuable information, people will want to share them. MailChimp gives you features, like share buttons and social media post builders, that let the word about your emails spread quickly. Build a landing page through MailChimp. Landing pages offer one more way to grow your email list. Using your best imagery and content, landing pages give people a clear call to action and drive email signups way up. With more than 205 billion emails being sent and received every day, if your business isn't taking advantage of this powerful and massive marketing channel, then you are missing out on a highly effective way to reach your target audience. If you are already implementing an email marketing plan in your overall marketing strategy, The question becomes how you can stand out from the crowd and gain the attention of your target audience. Unlock the secrets to email marketing. Creating a successful email marketing campaign isn't difficult, but it does require you to do more than just send out an occasional newsletter. Unfortunately, many businesses still haven't taken advantage of this powerful marketing tool for their business, either because they don't know how, or they haven't recognized the many benefits they can gain from email marketing. Here are just some of the benefits you are missing out on if you aren't participating in email marketing for your business. Stay connected with your target audience. Reaching customers in real time. People engage more with emails than any other marketing tactic. It's easy to measure your progress. It's more affordable than many marketing strategies. It allows for targeted messaging, increases brand awareness. It's timely. Just about everyone has an email account. If you don't currently have an email marketing plan for your business, you're missing out on reaching your audience and generating more leads. Fortunately, I've created this comprehensive guide to show you how to build an email list and create successful marketing campaigns. Allow me to introduce Email Marketing Success. How to build an email list and create successful email marketing campaigns. Click the link below in the description to get your email marketing success now. Here's exactly what you'll get inside the course. Ebook guide. Here's what you'll discover when you take the first step and purchase this authoritative guide on email marketing success to find out how to build an email list and create successful marketing campaigns. A. Come to understand what exactly email marketing is and why your business needs it. B. Learn how to get started with your email marketing campaigns. C. Learn the secrets of building your email list. D. Discover how to write emails that will inspire your audience to take action. E. Figure out how to measure your results so you can optimize your strategy for the best results. And much more. Special bonus for taking action. Point-by-point checklist. View or print this handy checklist so that you can check off each point. It is like a summary of the entire guide but in actionable, bite-sized points so that you can successfully get through the course. Another special bonus for taking action. Bonus ebook. How to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. When you go through this course, you'll uncover the email marketing success and how to build an email list and create successful marketing campaigns. Here are just some of the benefits that you'll gain. You'll learn the critical components of email marketing. You'll understand why it's so essential for your business to start email marketing today. You'll be able to establish your goals and objects for your email marketing campaigns. You'll understand the different types of email marketing campaigns that you can send. You'll learn about lead magnets and which ones are common with email marketing campaigns. You'll learn about the different parts of an email and the best practices that you should follow. You'll learn which key performance indicators you need to watch. And so much more. How much is this going to cost you? You can own email marketing success together with all the bonuses for a mere $7. That is a truly incredible deal. Did I mention this ebook is only $7? It's definitely a point worth repeating. You will be hard-pressed to find a more valuable resource. I'm delighted to have the chance to share this powerful guide with you. Again, you will receive the comprehensive and valuable insights for only $7. Please click the link in the description right now and take ownership of this valuable course today. Get your copy now. Get instant access right now. Yes. Don't wait. Get instant access to email marketing success, which includes the following. 1. The main ebook in PDF readable format. 2. Fast action checklist. 3. Bonus ebook. How to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Regular price, $27. Today only, $7. Get your instant access now. Order now with confidence on 100% secure server. Click the link below in the description to get other useful software to scale your business and grab your email marketing success. Email Suite. Send unlimited emails for free and the done-for-you services affiliate marketing system. Hot offer now. This offer promises to be one that could make you successful as an email marketer and might be one of the best things to happen to you this year. Click the link below in the description to get other useful software to scale your business and grab your email marketing success. Email Suite. Send unlimited emails for free and the done for you services affiliate marketing system, hot offer now. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment and share this video. Also click the bell notification icon to get notified once another video is uploaded. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.